thunderstorm warning for northeastern Putnam County in west central Ohio, southeastern Henry County in northwestern Ohio until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:02. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Putnam County in west central Ohio, southeastern Henry County in northwestern Ohio until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Holgate, or 11 miles south of Napoleon, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Leipzig, Deschler, Holgate, Hemler, Melinda, Belmore, New Bavaria, Prentice, Gallup, Pleasant Bend, and Ellery. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Henry and Putnam,